In this video, I'll show you how to do CoinSpot crypto tax with Koinly. First, sign into Koinly and add CoinSpot as one of your wallets or exchanges. Koinly's official CoinSpot integration page says you can import your CoinSpot data using either an API connection or CSV files. And CoinSpot's own tax page also confirms those are the two common ways to bring your transaction history into tax software. If you want the faster option, create a CoinSpot API key with read-only access, then paste that API information into Koinly. CoinSpot specifically warns that third-party tax tools should only be given read-only access, not full account access. If you prefer the manual method, download your CoinSpot CSV files and upload them into Koinly instead. Once the data is imported, Koinly calculates your gains, losses, income, and transfers based on the transactions it receives. After that, review everything carefully. Check for missing transactions, duplicates, or balance issues before generating your final report. When you're ready, open the tax reports page in Koinly, choose the correct tax year, pick the report type you need, and download it. Koinly notes that you need a paid plan for the year you want to generate reports for. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.